And we're back to learning Gimp in a year, day 23. Let me show you how I can colorize an object in an image. So in the last video I've shown you can use the Colorize filter to colorize images, but in this case we don't want to have the background colorized. We just want to have this flower change its color, and to do that I'll simply copy the original. As always, I like to have the original in the backup, and then I copy it again. I call it 1 and 2. And for layer 2, I add a layer mask, fully black, so everything should be transparent. We bring back number 1 and we paint on the layer mask of number 2. And we do that to bring back the flower, and I have number 1 visible so that I can find the edges a little bit more easily. I paint over the layer mask, which is black, with a white foreground color. That's the important step. I've talked about that in the last couple of videos. That's the layer mask principle where white reveals. So with a fully transparent image, white will bring back whatever you paint on. And here on the edges, I switch to black and then go over this area a little bit more cleanly. I've talked about that a couple of times. The more time you invest with these layer mask paintings, the better results will look. For this tutorial, I think we are fine at this point. And now I simply colorize this image, so our layer 2, and you can see only the flower is affected. Let me use an extreme example, and afterwards you can see I wasn't that clean right here at the bottom. So I have to paint on the layer mask here a little bit more using white. Sometimes you have to do that. Once more, the more time you invest, the better results will look. And this is the principle that you can use to recolor any object in an image. And it's not just for the Colorize filter. So this Colorize option right here is certainly very helpful, but maybe you want to use different options. It works the same way. Just copy the original and then colorize the copy where you add a layer mask and then only paint over the object to make it visible. So if you, for example, use under colors, one of these other options, it works the same way. So no matter what filter you use or what method you use to recolor your images, simply copy the original, have a layer mask edit, and then paint over the object that you want to have colorized in white color. For example, use the color balance. You can see it only affects the flower, not the background. Same for the color temperature. And in many cases right here, the hue, especially hue saturation, this is what you want to use. Set it to master, and you can see how you could recolor this one, for example, to purple. So this combines a couple of methods that I've talked about in the last couple of videos, and we're gonna encounter that method time and time again to add effects and recolor stuff. I hope this video was helpful, thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.